Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the innocent bear outfit in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, limited event that called Kid at Heart Party like this. And in here you can get the free innocent bear outfit. And to get it is very easy. First just tap on the club icon like this, and then just in here just tap on the Kid at Heart Party event like this, and then just tap on go purchase. And then in here you can see you can buy any, and then in here you can buy the outfit. On here you can buy it with the Moonlight Crystal. So make sure you have enough Moonlight Crystal to buy this outfit. You can get this Moonlight Crystal for free from the guild sign in rewards like this. You can get this Moonlight Crystal from here. And after that just purchase the item, the outfit item that you like, or you can also purchase the full outfit like this, and it costs 576 Moonlight Crystal. For example, in here I want to buy this, and then just tap on purchase like this, and just like that you will get the full innocent bear outfit. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.